Welcome everyone to our next online SAP learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to check or view GL master data at SAP table level. So to view SAP tables, we need to enter transaction code AC16N, then press enter. Here to view the GL master data, we have two tables. One is SKA1 at chart of accounts level and the second one is SKB1 at company code level. So here first I am trying to view the GL master data at chart of account level. So my chart of account code is 7075. Then after click on execute here, you can see all the data which are created under this chart of accounts are displaying here. Then go press back. I enter the table name SKB1. Then press enter. Enter your company code here. Then again click on execute here. Now you can see all the data which are created under this company code 7075 are displaying over here. So by this way you can check GL master data in SAP table at chart of accounts level and company code level. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.